money can't buy happiness. But in India, for rupees 75 lakhs ex-showroom, it can buy you the MG Sebester. This isn't just another EV. It's a head-turning roadster with futuristic design and performance so quick that it goes from 0 to 100 faster than a Porsche 911 Carrera. In today's video, we will try to cover its each and every detail so you can see exactly where your money goes and why this Sebester stands out as a game-changing EV beast in India. But before we start, there are few things you guys must know. Number one, in India, MG doesn't offer the entry-level single motor version. It only offers this top spec all-wheel drive dual motor version. Second, and the most important thing I would say, in India, MG offers only 4 color options, whereas in other countries it offers more than 4 color options. I don't know why MG is being so unfair to our country. Anyways, talking about the looks and design, it looks futuristic, sporty and full of attitude, I would say. It's low, wide and sharp, and it looks fast even when standing still. From every angle it looks fantastic. In front, the sleek LED headlights gives a modern high-tech look and the grille-less design adds to its futuristic vibe, while the sculpted bonnet and sharp lines add a sporty touch. There are 4 parking sensors, active air curtains and a camera as well in the front. Moving towards the side profile, the first thing you will notice in the side profile are these massive 20-inch dual-tone alloy wheels paired with a red brake calipers and a staggered tire setup. 245/40 R20 at the front and 275/35 R20 at the rear. From here you can open the doors. So this Sebester comes with Lamborghini style scissor doors, giving the car a bold futuristic look and making every entry and exit feel special. Both doors feature sensors that prevent them from opening if there's an obstacle in the way. Now coming towards the rear profile, here we get 4 parking sensors, arrow-shaped tail lights along with a full connected U-shaped LED light bar. Overall the rear profile looks fantastic. It's basically inspired by the Union Jack, the national flag of the United Kingdom. Boot button is placed exactly in the center. Let's just open it once. So there is a boot light over here. You don't get any spare wheel. Boot space is not much, but according to a 2-seater sports car, it's quite good enough. Now let's just close it. From here you can charge the car. Being an electric sports car right now in India, I would say this car doesn't have any competitor as per the price. Overall from the exterior it definitely looks absolutely stunning, but the story doesn't end here. Let's step inside and see what it all has to offer. So the MG Sebester welcomes you with a jet cockpit inspired cabin that's sporty and travel focused with a clean dashboard and soft touch material. Talking about the keys, looks okay, not much premium. From these you can lock and unlock the car, open the boot, sound the alarm and even open the scissor doors. On both the scissor doors, there are speakers, power window controls, electric seat adjustment and memory function. Plus, there are physical buttons present to open and close the door, but to be honest, they are not easily accessible. The electric parking brake is placed over here along with a headlight leveler and a button to open the bonnet. Next, the flat bottom leatherette steering wheel is also equipped with lot of controls and modes. It comes with both tilt and telescopic adjustment. From here you can control the regeneration mode and from here you can control the drive modes. Behind the steering wheel there are total 3 screens. The center one is 10.25-inch instrument cluster that displays speed, battery level and other essential driving information. The other 2 are 7-inch touchscreen. The one on the left side is the infotainment screen supporting both wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The screen on the right side is information screen, which mainly displays channel settings, Bluetooth, volume, sound settings, charging information, weather updates and a camera display. The Sebester comes with a 360-degree camera and there are different angles present over here. Overall, the camera quality is quite good, I would say. Here in the center, there are physical AC controls along with the 360-degree camera button. Then there is one more 7-inch touchscreen along with a single-speed automatic transmission. This screen basically consists of AC controls and driving controls. In this screen, you can customize your driving preference. There are n number of customization present inside it. Here you can change the theme of meter console and also you can change the ambient light as well from this. There are 256 colors available. After the screen, you will find 2 bottle holders which are quite unique. Also, there are buttons to open and close the door and the roof. As soon as you open the roof, there's ample amount of headroom. Next, there's a huge leatherette armrest with charging sockets and some storage space. The seats are comfortable, but the first time you sit in them, you will feel very grounded. Talking about the glove box, it has got decent amount of space. In the center, there is a LED cabin lights and a manual day-night IVM. It looks like MG just placed it at the last moment. Otherwise, it would have been auto day and night IVM. Anyways, behind the seats, there is some space and again some physical buttons to operate the doors. Overall, the Cyberster's cabin combines style, comfort and advanced technology, but what really stands out is its performance. With a 77 kWh battery pack and an all-wheel drive dual motor setup, it delivers an impressive 510 PS of maximum power and 725 Nm of peak torque, which allow it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.2 seconds. Top speed is around 200 km per hour and it offers a range of up to 580 km as per MG. But in real life, I would say it totally depends upon the driving condition and on which speed are you driving. Talking about charging and all, so the charging is fast and convenient. With a 144 kW DC fast charger, the battery can go from 10 to 80% in just 40 minutes. But while using an AC fast charger, a full charge can take up to 12.5 hours. Once it's full charged, it will provide you the performance that's unmatchable. Along with the performance, what really matters is safety. So in terms of safety, this Cyberster comes with 4 airbags, front and rear parking sensors, along with 360-degree camera, tire pressure monitoring system, all 4 Brembo disc brakes, electronic parking brake with auto hold, level 2 ADAS, and real-time driver drowsiness monitor system. In the end, overall, if we talk about this MG Cyberster, this EV beast is more than just a stylish roadster. It combines striking design, a driver-focused interior, advanced technology, and thrilling performance into one complete package. From safety features to its impressive range and fast charging capabilities, every detail shows where your money goes. And with a price tag of rupees 75 lakhs, the Cyberster promises a thrilling experience and style. But after paying so much of taxes on Indian roads with potholes, rough patches and even flooded roads, you have to wonder if it really brings the happiness you expect or not. Anyways, what's your point of view? Do let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys have liked this video and subscribe to our channel as well. See you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe.